Welcome to the Nutritionist channel. Welcome back to our channel, where we prioritize your well-being with mouth-watering recipes specially designed for individuals managing diabetes. In this video, we present 5 wholesome and diabetes-friendly recipes that are packed with flavor and essential nutrients. Whether you are focused on blood sugar control or simply seek to maintain a balanced diet, these recipes are sure to delight your taste buds and nourish your body. So, let's get cooking. Quinoa salad. First up, we have a refreshing and nutritious quinoa salad that is not only bursting with flavors but also packed with health benefits. This vibrant salad features a base of cooked quinoa, a versatile and low glycemic index whole grain that keeps blood sugar levels stable. Mixed with an array of colorful vegetables like crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy bell peppers, this salad provides a delightful crunch in every bite. To add a tangy twist, we include feta cheese, optional, for a creamy texture and a burst of flavor. The salad is then dressed with a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley and basil. The result? A refreshing salad that offers a balance of nutrients, including fiber, protein, essential minerals, and antioxidants. It's a perfect side dish or light meal that helps manage diabetes while satisfying your taste buds with a perfect combination of flavors and textures. Feel free to take a screenshot of our ingredients list for quinoa salad. Preparation. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a bowl, combine cooked quinoa, mixed vegetables, feta cheese, if using, olive oil, lemon juice, fresh herbs, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together until well mixed. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing and nutritious quinoa salad. Estimated time, 15 to 20 minutes, excluding cooling and refrigeration time. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Elevate your dinner with a wholesome and flavorful baked salmon with roasted vegetables. This recipe not only pleases your palate but also supports your overall health, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Tender and succulent salmon fillets take center stage in this dish, delivering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote heart health. Paired with a colorful ensemble of roasted vegetables, including vibrant broccoli, sweet bell peppers, and tender zucchini, this meal provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The vegetables are lightly tossed in olive oil, lemon zest, and aromatic dried herbs like thyme and rosemary, adding depth of flavor and complementing the delicate salmon. Once baked to perfection, the salmon becomes flaky and the vegetables develop a delicious caramelized edge. This wholesome and satisfying dish is an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels while enjoying a delightful culinary experience. Feel free to take a screenshot of our ingredients list for baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a bowl, combine mixed vegetables, olive oil, lemon zest, dried herbs, salt, and pepper. Toss to coat the vegetables evenly. Spread the vegetables around the salmon fillets. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Remove from the oven and serve this nutritious meal hot. Estimated time, 25 to 30 minutes. Lentil soup. Warm your soul with our delectable lentil soup, a nutritious and diabetes-friendly delight that brings together a medley of flavors in every spoonful. Bursting with protein-packed lentils, vitamin-rich vegetables, and aromatic spices, this hearty soup is a perfect addition to your diabetes management plan. Lentils, being low in glycemic index, promote stable blood sugar levels while providing a generous dose of plant-based protein and fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full for longer. The abundance of essential vitamins and minerals like iron, folate, and potassium in lentils further enhances their nutritional value, supporting overall well-being. Prepared in just 35 minutes, This comforting soup is the ideal companion for a balanced and wholesome meal. Feel free to take a screenshot of our ingredients list for lentil soup. Preparation. In a large pot, sauté the chopped onion and garlic until fragrant and translucent. Add the diced carrots and celery, and continue to cook for another 2 minutes. Stir in the lentils, cumin, coriander, and cayenne pepper, if using, coating the ingredients evenly. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. Season with salt and pepper according to taste. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro. Estimated time, 35 minutes. Greek salad. Embark on a culinary journey to Greece with our refreshing Greek salad, a colorful and nutrient-rich ensemble that caters to your taste buds and diabetes management needs. This vibrant salad boasts a variety of crisp vegetables, tangy olives, and creamy feta cheese, offering a spectrum of flavors and textures. Low in carbohydrates and glycemic index, this salad ensures steady blood sugar levels, while the high fiber content aids digestion and promotes heart health. The vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and calcium, found in the fresh vegetables and olives, contribute to overall health and immune support. Drizzled with heart-healthy olive oil, this zesty salad is ready to elevate your meals in just 15 minutes. Feel free to take a screenshot of our ingredients list for Greek salad. Preparation. In a large salad bowl, combine the mixed greens, sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and Kalamata olives. In a separate bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat the ingredients. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese over the top and serve. Estimated time, 15 minutes. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Treat yourself to the delightful Asian-inspired flavors of our vegetable stir-fry with tofu, a wholesome and diabetes-friendly option that checks all the boxes for taste and nutrition. Brimming with a colorful assortment of crunchy vegetables and protein-rich tofu, this stir-fry is a perfect way to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Tofu, as a low-carb and low-glycemic index ingredient, provides a satisfying protein source that helps stabilize glucose levels and supports muscle health. The addition of garlic, ginger, and sesame not only tantalizes your taste buds but also infuses the dish with antioxidant-rich goodness. In just 25 minutes, you'll have a delectable and wholesome meal to relish. Feel free to take a screenshot of our ingredients list for vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Preparation. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, cornstarch, and water to make the sauce. Heat vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add cubed tofu to the pan and cook until lightly browned on all sides. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender. Return the tofu to the pan and pour the sauce over the vegetables and tofu. Toss everything together until the sauce thickens and coats the ingredients evenly. Garnish with sesame seeds before serving. Estimated time, 25 minutes. There you have it, 5 delicious recipes that are both diabetic-friendly and full of flavor. Remember, eating well doesn't mean sacrificing taste. These recipes are not only nourishing but also incredibly satisfying. Be sure to give them a try and let us know how you liked them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more wholesome recipes to support your health journey. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching.